Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do funding pips KYC. So when you basically purchase your account here on funding pips and you pass it, in order to get your master account, you need to complete your KYC first. You can also do this before passing your accounts, but I highly recommend that when you pass your accounts and when you want to get your master account, only then you complete it. So this way you won't be able to waste your time here. So you need to simply just sign in into your account, and over here you need to hover over to the left hand side and click on the option of account. Now over here simply select your account, and here you are going to see this particular option when you pass your phase 2 account or any of the accounts. So click on the option of proceed with KYC, then click on the option of start verification. Now over here you need to just simply select whether you are from United States or from any other country than the United States. After selecting it, you need to simply select your issuing country. Then among the given verification types, you need to simply select the option of verification with a document, or you can directly go with Aadhaar number. So I recommend you to go with this recommended option, which is verification with the document. Then click on the option of submit. Now on the next page, you need to simply just upload the front and the back side of the document that you have selected, and then once that is completed, you need to then verify your face. After verifying your face, you need to also upload a proof of address. So the proof of address can be an utility bill or a bank statement. So you need to make sure that before coming here on this KYC page, you have that document available. So in the third step, you need to upload that document and hit submit. So when this is done, if your KYC is approved, you are going to see it here inside your dashboard. If it is rejected, that too will be shown inside your account. You will also receive an email address from them. So you need to just go through that email and see if your KYC is verified. So when you are verifying for the KYC here on funding pips, just make sure that you are in a silent room and you are basically more focused on doing the KYC. So if this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.